You're probably making many critical decisions during this time of unprecedented uncertainty. And maybe you're torn and maybe you don't know if the decision is aligned with your values. I want to tell you that you don't have to make decisions that don't feel good to you. You can take your time. You can look at options. You can ask experts for input. Don't make decisions that violate your values and beliefs. Because then, when you are to fulfill your purpose and what you believe your business is here to do, to serve the greater good, when you make a decision that is not congruent to your values and the company mission, then that takes you a little bit off the alignment, off the path. So take your time. Know that there are maybe possibilities that you have considered. There is not like it's doomed if you do and it's doomed if you don't. There is always another option, another option, another option, a possibility, maybe information that you are not aware of. Anything that you can bring in your awareness to help you feel aligned when you make a decision is really possible and it's required. And at the end of the day, you have to put your head on the pillow knowing that you stay true to who you are, to what you believe in, to your values. If you need to make critical decisions and you need a little bit of support, let's make it together. I'll help you use both your logic and your intuition. I'll help you figure out your values and what is really important for you. And I'll help you find clarity and peace of mind.